Hey, this is Shiraz, and before we get started, I just want to let you know that when I clear something for someone, when I cause a shift, I tend to yawn and cough from the energetic shift that happens. I don't know why it happens. It's just how my body works. And if you don't know that, you're going to listen to this video and go, what the hell is wrong with this guy? You might still think that, but now there's more of an explanation. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you hear something that you can absolutely relate to, when I cleared for them, you can get it cleared for you too. Just say yes when they're saying yes, and it works. I have people that watch these videos every morning to get stuff cleared. This can be your new morning habit too. Okay, that's enough for that. Let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you get a great shift out of it. See you soon.
I'm looking at ambition, like wanting to grow my business, wanting to do things. And I'm finally like, not, I know I'm ambitious, but I feel like something's blocking me
Okay.
and not getting me to function the way I should.
Okay.
And things aren't coming the way I want them to, and money's not coming.
Okay. Is it okay to be ambitious?
Yes.
It's not actually coming up true for you.
Hmm.
How do people react to you when you're being ambitious?
She's got ambition, that's pretty cool. She's gonna, okay, I got it.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm ambitious, then people drag on me for me to do the work so they get the just rewards of what I'm doing.
Oh, so the more successful you become, the more people benefit from your success instead of you.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So are you willing to step out of the story that you have to limit your ambitions so other people don't leech off your success?
Yes. Oh, that doesn't feel good. Feel like this time it's leaving a horrible taste in my mouth.
Mm-hmm. Okay. When you create success, do you get to enjoy the rewards do other people?
I want to say me, but I don't feel it's me.
Yeah. So are you willing to step out of the story that when you create success, everyone else gets to enjoy the rewards and not you? Ow.
Yeah.
It's a lot of resistance there.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. What's wrong with you enjoying the rewards of your success?
There isn't.
Okay. Will anyone allow you to enjoy the rewards of your success?
They should.
That's not the question.
I can't answer that.
Yeah, there's the block right there. You believe that people just won't allow you to enjoy your own rewards. Everything you do is going to end up with other people. So why be ambitious? Why create success if you're not going to get any?
Yes.
Okay. That again is your story. You don't have to give anything to anyone unless you want to. No matter how hard they try to get it, no matter what they do to argue with you, it's up to you what you do with the rewards from your success. Now, if you don't give people the rewards, what's going to happen?
It's all mine.
They'll what?
It's all my stuff. It's all my success, and I have a
It
choice.
is. It is.
I
But
have a
what would
choice
happen?
to give to them. I have a choice if I want to help anybody else out.
Okay. But what's going to happen to those relationships if you don't give them those rewards when they ask for it or demand it?
Do I have to give a fuck about them?
You don't.
No, I don't want to.
Okay. Is it okay to let those relationships go?
Yes.
Okay, good. That's coming up true. So, are you willing to step out of the story that if you create success and create those benefits, you have to give them to other people?
Yes.
Ooh, that's interesting, because for most people, when you create success, the belief is, well, now I'm going to have to take care of all these people. But yours is like, no, they're just going to take everything. So we definitely had to shift that out of you. Okay. If you create lots of success, will you end up alone?
Yep.
Okay. Again, that's your story because of who you're hanging out with now and how they react to whenever you start to become successful. When you create more and more success, you're going to change your circle of friends. There's going to be more supportive people that have their own money, people that are going to encourage you to succeed. So you won't end up being alone, but everyone in your life might change, and you have to be willing to let that happen.
Yes.
So are you willing to step out of the story that if you create lots and lots of success, you will end up alone?
Yes.
Okay. How's that feel?
All I want to say is skunky, but that's another reason. I'm okay if I'm alone,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm just looking for those other relationships to come into my life. And I'm thinking, that's what I want to attract. And I'm thinking, how long am I going to have to wait for that?
See, but what's happening is you're holding back on creating success until those people show up. But those people will show up once you create success. So you have to stop holding back, waiting for them, and just create the success anyway. You have to trust that that's what's going to happen. A lot of people are waiting for the evidence they need before they proceed forward. And that's why they never proceed forward. The evidence shows up after you take the action. Okay. So are you willing to step out of the story that you have to hold back on your success until the right people show up?
Yes. Just keep going, getting this feeling, what do I need to do to create? And it's like I'm blocking my own self in creating.
Yeah. You know what you need to do. You just have to take the action. Right? So you have your talents. You can use those talents to generate money and move your success forward. Or you can say, you know what, I need to hire someone that's going to more clearly define what I need to do to create success. That's still taking action. But right now, you're just waiting. Stop waiting. Take action.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like. And if you had a shift of your own, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, check out the description for energetic magic events that you can attend every single month. Be well, be aware, and be magical.